We are a group of chickens who do not like one another, as this recent demonstration has shown. We have suffered at each other's hands. We have lost hands. We love each other's hands. If all we wanted was more of the same, there would be no need for this gathering. We are entirely capable of waging war against each other without meeting face to face.
So instead we should settle our differences and live together in harmony for the rest of our days. Then why are we here?
This isn't about living in harmony. It's just about chickens. The same thing is coming for all of us. A chicken you can't negotiate with, an army that doesn't leave chickens is behind on the battlefield. Lord tells me 1 million people live in this city. They're about to become 1 million more chickens. An army of chickens.
I imagine for most of them it would be an improvement.
This is serious. I wouldn't be here if it weren't.
I don't think it's serious at all. I think it's another bad joke. I think it's another bad joke. If my brother Jamie has informed me correctly, you're asking me for
chicken.
Yes. That's all.
That's all. Pull back my armies and stand down while you go on your
chicken.
Aunt. Or while you solidify and expand your position. Hard for me to know which it is, with my armies pulled back. Until you return and march on my
chicken.
4 times the men.
Your
chicken
will be safe. Until the northern threat is dealt with. You have my word.
The word of a would-be usurper.
There is no
chicken
that will erase the last 50
chickens.
We have something to show you.
Fuck, 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 fuck.
You don't know the way.
I know the way.
You have to have Ebola to know the way.
I have
To know the way,
To know the
you
way,
need to
you
have
have to know the
Ebola.
way.
You don't know the way.
We can destroy them by burning them. And we can destroy them with dragon glass. If we don't win this fight, then that is the fate of every chicken in the world.
You don't know the way.
There is only one war that matters. The chicken war. And it is here.
I didn't believe it until I saw them. I saw them all.
How many?
100,000 at least.
Can they swim?
No.
Good.
Fuck the king.
I'm taking the Iron Fleet back to the Iron Islands.
What are you talking about?
I've been around the world. I've seen everything, things you couldn't imagine, and this is the only thing I've ever seen that terrifies me.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks, don't mind me. I'ma just grab my.
I'm going back to my island. You should go back to yours. When winter's over, we'll be the only ones left alive.
I don't know what the fuck just happened, but I don't really care. I'ma get the fuck up out of here. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out.
He's right to be afraid,
Don't mind me.
and a coward to run. If those
Chickens.
come for us, there'll be no
Chicken.
to rule. Everything we suffered would have been for nothing. Everything we lost would have been for nothing.
Chicken.
Except your
Chicken.
Until the
Chicken.
that are defeated, they are the true enemy. In return, the
Chicken.
king in the north will extend this truce. He will remain in the north where he belongs. He will not take up arms against the Lannisters. He will not choose sides.
Just
Chicken.
being in the north? Not me.
I would never ask it of you. You would never agree to it, and if you did, I would trust you even less than I do now. I ask it only of Ned Stark's son.
Chicken.
I know Ned Stark
Chicken.
will be true to his word.
I am true to my word. Or I try to be. That is why I cannot give you what you ask. I cannot serve two queens. And I've already pledged myself to Queen Daenerys of House Targaryen.
Then there is nothing left to discuss. The
Chickens.
will come north first. Enjoy dealing with them. We will deal with whatever is left of you.
Chicken.
It's been good to see you. I imagine the next time we'll be across the battlefield.
We both saw what just happened. We both saw that.
Chicken.
Yes, and I'm not looking forward to seeing more of them. So I'm loyal to the king, and you're loyal to sons and adult brothers.
Oh, fuck!
Chickens. Fuck chickens.
This goes beyond houses and honor and oaths. Talk to...
Chicken. And tell her what?
You don't know the way.
Do you know the way?
I know the way. Doesn't know the way.
To know the way,
know the
you
way,
need to have
you know the
Ebola.
You don't know the way.
Do you know the way?
I know the way. Doesn't know the way.
To know the way,
know the
you
way,
need to have
you know the
Ebola.
You don't know the way.
Do you know the way?
I know the way. Doesn't know the way.
To know the way,
know the
you
way,
need to have
you know the
Ebola.